Exercise 2.7, problem number 6. This function can be integrated with respect to x. So 1 by 2x square plus 6x minus 8 into dx. So in this problem, the coefficient of x square is 2. So the 2 can be taken as outside in the denominator. So integral over 1 by 2 is taken as outside. So x square plus 6x by 2 minus 8 by 2 into dx. So this integral can be integrated 1 by 2 times of x square minus 3 times 3x 4 times. So minus 4 into dx. So 1 by 2 times of 1 by 2 is taken as a common as a constant. So 1 by 2 into integration of 1 by x square minus 3x minus 4 into dx. So we have to apply this formula. So half into coefficient of x whole square. So half into coefficient of x in this problem minus 3 whole square. So 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4 minus 3 square is 9. So 9 by 4. So adding 9 by 4 and subtracting by 9 by 4 in this problem. So 1 by 2 times of integral 1 by x square minus 3x adding 9 by 4 and subtracting 9 by 4 minus 4 into dx. So the applying the factor form is x plus 3 by 2 whole square. X plus 3 by 2 whole square is x square plus 2ab. So 2ab means 6x by 2 plus b square is 9 by 4. So cross out these two terms. So result is x square minus 3x plus 9 by 4 can be written as x plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 9 by 4 minus 4 into dx. So 1 by 2 into integral of 1 by x plus 3 by 2 whole square. So combine these two terms. So minus 9 by 4 minus 4. So LCM minus 25 by 4 into dx. Integral over 1 by 2 into 1 by x plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 25 by 4 can be taken as 5 by 2 whole square into dx. So to applying the formula 1 by x square minus a square formula equal to 1 by 2a logarithm of x minus a by x plus a plus c. So 1 by 2 is a constant. Straight applying the formula 1 by 2 a value is a value is 5 by 2. So a value is 2 into a 5 by 2 logarithm of formula is x minus a. So x value is x plus 3 by 2. So x plus 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2 is a by x plus 3 by 2 is x plus a plus c. So 1 by 2 times of 1 by 5 into logarithm of x, adding these two terms minus 2 by 2 by x plus 8 by 2 plus c. So multiply 1 by 2 into 1 by 5 is 1 by 10 logarithm of x minus 1 by x plus 4 plus c. That's the problem. So let us move to problem number 9. This function can be integrated with respect to x. So integral over 1 by square root of x square plus 6x plus 13 into dx. Instead of applying the formula 1 by 2 times of coefficient of x whole square. 1 by 2 into coefficient of x is 6. So 6 whole square. So 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. 6 square is 36. So cross out these two terms 9 times. So value is 9. Again adding and subtracting by 9 in this expression, integral over 1 by square root of x square plus 6x adding 9 and subtracting by 9 plus 13 into dx. The short form of x square plus 6x plus 9 is x plus 3 whole square. X plus 3 whole square is x square plus 2ab plus b square. So x square plus 6x plus 9. So x square plus 6x plus 9 can be taken as x plus 3 whole square. Minus 9 plus 13 is 4 into dx. Next step, entire lever 1 by square root of x plus 3 whole square. 4 can be taken as 2 square into dx. Straight away applying the formula for 1 by square root of x square plus a square dx formula. So entire lower for 1 by root of x square plus a square dx equal to logarithm of x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. This is the formula. So this formula can be applying in this problem. So logarithm of right hand side of the formula. So logarithm of x can be taken as x plus 3. X plus 3 plus square root of x square is x plus 3 whole square plus a is 2 square plus c. So logarithm of x plus 3 into square root of x plus 3 whole square is x square plus 6x plus 9, 2 square is 4 plus c. Logarithm of x plus 3 plus square root of x square plus 6x plus 9 plus 4 is 13 plus c. Hence the problem. Let us move to problem number 12. Root of 1 plus x square can be integrated with respect to x. So entire lower square root of x square plus x plus 1 into dx. Straight away applying the formula 1 by 2 into coefficient of x whole square. 1 by 2 into coefficient of x is 1 in the place 1. So 1 square. So value is 1 by 4. So entire lower square root of x square plus x, adding 1 by 4 and subtracting 1 by 4 plus 1 into dx. Combine this term. So x plus 1 by 2 whole square is x square plus 2 into 1 by 2x into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. So the result is x square plus x plus 1 by 4. So x square plus x plus 1 by 4 is x plus 1 by 2 whole square. So this can be written as x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus, combine these two terms, minus 1 by 4 plus 1 plus 1. LCM means plus 3 by 4 into dx. Square root of x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 4 can be taken as root 3 by 2 whole square into dx. Comparing the formula as well as the problem. So formula can be taken as entire lower square root of x square plus a square dx equal to x by 2 square root of x square plus a square plus a square by 2 logarithm of x plus square root of x square plus a square plus c. So in the place of x plus 1 by 2. In the place of a, root 3 by 2. So right hand side of the formula is x plus, formula is x can be taken as x plus 1 by 2 square root of x square plus a square. So x is x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus a square is root 3 by 2 whole square plus a square by 2 means root 3 by 2 whole square by 2 logarithm of x plus x means x plus 1 by 2 plus square root of x square is x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus a is root 3 by 2 whole square plus c. So 1 by 2 into x plus 1 by 2 square root of the expansion of x plus 1 by 2 whole square is x square plus x plus 1 by 4. Root 3 by 2 whole square is 3 by 4 plus root 3 by 2 whole square is 3 by 4 by 2 logarithm of x plus 1 by 2 plus square root of expansion of x plus 1 by 2 whole square is x square plus x plus 1 by 4 plus root 3 by 2 whole square is 3 by 4 plus c. So 1 by 2 into x plus 1 by 2 into x plus 1 by 2 and square root of x square plus x plus 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 by 4 is 1 plus 3 by 8 into logarithm of x plus 1 by 2 plus square root of x square plus x plus 1 plus c. That's the problem.